The Poetic Guardian case delivers military-grade protection without compromising the Pixel 10 device's sleek aesthetics. This rugged, clear case impressed me with its comprehensive approach to smartphone protection, offering both durability and transparency in one thoughtfully designed package. What sets the Guardian apart is its built-in screen protector, a feature that's surprisingly rare in the case market. The front polycarbonate frame integrates seamlessly with the screen protection, maintaining full touch responsiveness while adding that crucial extra layer of defense. I appreciate that Poetic gives you the option to use it or remove it entirely, flexibility that busy professionals and tradespeople will value. The clear polycarbonate back showcases the Pixel 10 device's natural beauty while providing excellent scratch resistance. After weeks of testing, the case maintained its clarity without the yellowing that plagues cheaper alternatives. The raised lips and reinforced corners offer superior drop protection, and I can confirm this case lives up to its military-grade testing claims. Wireless charging compatibility is flawless. The case's thickness doesn't interfere with charging speeds or alignment. The precise cutouts ensure easy access to all ports and buttons without removing the case. My only minor complaint is the installation process, which requires patience to properly align the built-in screen protector. However, once installed, the Guardian transforms your Pixel 10 device into a fortress without adding excessive bulk. For users who prioritize maximum protection while maintaining their phone's visual appeal, the Poetic Guardian case strikes an excellent balance. It's particularly ideal for those with active lifestyles who refuse to compromise on either protection or aesthetics.